Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal Lab Collective.
And today is a great day.
It's a great day.
Are you having what?
So much fun.
Good.
Obviously.
Thank you.
I'm with you guys and
Right?
with you, Jason.
And we love you guys joining us. In fact, we found out this week that...
Hard fact.
And this hurts. Hurts my heart. Does it hurt your heart?
We love that y'all view, but we...
love it. We love your comments.
It's
amazing
love
interaction.
That 98% of you don't subscribe.
98%. I'll say it louder.
98%. So,
subscribe.
click that beautiful red button.
Click the little button.
Subscribe for all the updates.
It'll make us happy.
New video.
We'll drink more wine and cheers to you.
We'll feel popular.
We will.
And I love that feeling.
Right? So subscribe. But today...
we are going to go through a video by Fourth Impact, which I've never seen any of their videos before.
This is one of our, a few months ago, I started... This was actually before you and I started doing our thing together. I started to do a tour of countries because I thought it'd be really cool to go to different countries, highlight artists in those countries.
Yeah.
So my first one was Norway because everybody who follows me knows I love Norway. And this is a continuation as we get deeper into that. The Philippines, which I've never been to. Have you?
Never been.
I'd love to come. If you all want to do a masterclass in the Philippines, bring us over. We'll come do it. It'll be fun.
Talk vocals with y'all.
But several of you commented on our... I can't think of his name right now. Bruno Mars. You may have heard of him on our Bruno Mars video. That we should watch this video and react to it. So here we are. Let's just do it. Let's jump in. We've been talking too much. Let's see what Fourth Impact has. I know the song. Ooh, they sassy.
Look it.
Oh, Katie. Oh, Katie knows that walk. Ooh, all right. I like that.
Yes.
Ooh, talk about her.
Oh my gosh, her tone. I love that.
So good. Got a little, what is it?
Starting that edge.
That edge and nasal in it.
Good edge.
Those of you who think nasal can be bad for you, right there, no. Nope. That is so good.
So good.
Woo.
So I love how it started out very breathy and open. And then she sucks it in with her tone a lot. And I love that they kept that classy vibe.
Yeah, it's just true to it, you know?
So
and they
good.
look amazing.
They're beautiful.
Let's go on. It's like it's another level.
It's coming straight from the heart.
Tone, yeah, that's deeper.
So far, we're hitting. I can't wait to hear the next girl because
I know
what all is in this group.
This is like
Thank you for telling us to watch this.
This is like us coaching a vocal session and working on different, like
completely different dynamics in the voice,
dynamics and resonators and everything. It's like they're doing it individually, one by one. That's so good. So if you Woo!
Oh, yeah. She's got rock.
So good.
She's got some rock.
You know what else it's making me think of a little bit is like it's a little throwback to Diana Ross and the Supremes.
Yeah. Oh, good. Huge compliment too.
Huge compliment.
Fourth Impact.
Also, I'm not as blonde as Katie is.
Which means he's not as pretty as I am.
Let's move on to these pretty ladies. I love the ad-libs. Yeah.
Love that. Okay, so real quick, I just have to say, it can be very difficult to mesh well together as a group, but
Yes.
still stand out
Very hard.
as your own voice, and then marry all the voices together. They do a beautiful job because all of their tones are so different.
Yes.
And so I had to point that out because
that's a really good point because that's really hard to do.
So hard to do.
Yeah. One of the hardest things I ever did was singing in a group.
Yeah.
You know,
But
it taught me so much about my own voice, about singing, and you really respect when it's done well,
100%.
how good it is.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, so sweet. They're really good. Those harmonies. Whoa!
Okay, Mariah.
Yeah. Whoa, come on.
I would go see them 100%.
Any day.
Wow.
Yes. Oh, it just went up another level.
We just went back.
What?
We just went back to the 90s. Thank you, Jesus.
Oh, gosh, yes.
And
the Celines, the Whitneys, the Mariahs, all of them right there.
Literally right there. And not having to prove a damn thing.
No.
Can I say that?
Yes.
Can I say damn?
I think so.
Okay.
Wow.
Cheers to that.
Go. I need more of this in my life.
I feel like I am watching Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston, Celine Dion, and Tamar Braxton. We gotta throw Braxton's sister in.
This.
Yes.
Mariah just showed up in full force.
Showed up.
This
in
is
the most tasteful way.
Oh my gosh. I'm literally blown away by this.
I have to see more.
Oh wow.
I have to see more of them.
Yes, I know. We're gonna go down this trail.
We're flying out there to see them.
Yes, Fourth Impact. I love you.
Love you.
Love
girls.
you. This is incredible.
Guys, thank you for pointing us to them.
Yes.
Because there's so many videos, so many singers and bands and groups that we don't know about because there are so many of you, which is incredible.
Yeah, and I think, I've never thought it was fair, but, or okay, but, living in the States, we primarily just get American music or British music. That's predominantly it. Canadian, but
this group has changed
outside of the Latino world. There's a lot of music that comes in from there, but for this, we just don't get it unless we go on a deep dive or you show us. So we love that you showed it to us.
This is incredible.
This is awesome. These girls are real deal.
For life fan.
Yes, real deal legit.
Yeah, Fourth Impact.
You can learn so much from these girls. Mm-hmm. And one of the biggest things is to tastefully do what you do.
Yeah.
And if you can't do that, because this is vocal gymnastics and vocal prowess at its best.
Right.
And if you can't do it, we get it. Call us. We'll help you find that in your voice. Or we'll be honest with you and say this isn't your voice.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
But we can help you find this. So please, like, DM us. Let us know. Go to vocalabcollective.com. Get a lesson, whatever. This excites me.
Yeah.
Right?
This is incredible.
This is incredible.
I'm a little speechless, I'm not going to lie.
I'm a little speechless, and I'm not going to lie.
So I think let's have
I'm
a
repeating
cheers.
you. We must go. We're going to listen to more Fourth Impact because that just impacted my heart.
Oh. I'm Katie Talbot with Vocal
And I'm
Lab
Jason
Collective.
Catron. And we're both Vocal Lab Collective, not just you.
I know I said, did I say with?
You said, I'm Katie Talbot, Vocal Lab Collective.
Well, secretly I am Vocal Lab.
She's trying to take over and push me out.
Listen.
Till next time.
Subscribe.